wool. 13 wool. AG. Oh, I do have a crafting table, but I don't have enough wool. Put that near there. Okay. All red materials over here. You go there. You go there. There. I'm just sorting out my inventory. Whoa, right here. Right there. Food. Food. Other stuff. Oh, this is part of wood. Wood. Other crazy stuff. Oh. Ooh, mushrooms. Other things? All food over here. Destroy my hello, Chicky. Don't turn away. Kill you. No. Kill you. Get my seeds. Want some seeds? Then follow me. I got the seeds. What? Speed. Oh my gosh. I made a baby chicken. Whatever. Oh my gosh. It's so cute.
Wait a minute. She made a baby chicken and then she hit it. Did you mean to hit the baby chicken?
That's the protection. That's the protection.
Oh wow.
Down there. There's your precious chicken. Go down there. Go down there. Oh wait, they can follow me. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're following me. Oh my god. It worked.
And they're gonna keep following you because you got the seeds. You
Yeah.
got the seeds. See, look, they're leaving you alone now.
I don't know. Thank you.
And you killed it.
It really needed that stuff.
Are you gonna get that baby chicken out of that hole? Or you're just gonna leave them there?
Leave them.
That's mean. You're gonna leave the
Thank
baby chicken there.
I need some. Okay, I already got enough wool. I'm just searching for some tray. Oh my god. Screw you. Screw you.
Hey now.
Ugh.
Calm down.
You. Sheep never drop any food. They're boring.
Well, they drop wool.
I know.
Why are you being mean to the sheep?
I already got enough wool.
Why are you gonna break down somebody else's house?
Watch.
You're gonna break somebody else's house. God,
They
he's so
don't even
mean.
care about anything.
Wow.
Honestly, they don't. Like, if I like break something, like that's their precious, that's precious to them, they don't even care. They just
Hey, it's daytime and the villagers are out.
Oh,
Wow, wow, a black sheep just poked his head in the door.
Oh my God. Okay, I already got it. Crafting table, crafting table. The crafting table. I'm coming. No, I don't want my sword. Crafting table. Bam! Now I can make a bed. Woohoo! Wait, hold on. First I'm gonna make a sleeping bag. Ugh. Now it's raining. There, got myself a baddie. I got myself a baddie. Get out of here.
Hey, aren't you gonna pick up your crafting table?
Whoa! What just happened?
You dropped you're holding your bed.
Oh. Ah.
Why don't you put your bed away? Why are you breaking your crafting table apart?
I'm gonna get more food and more food. I can't sleep at night. I can't sleep at night. Like just.
You can't sleep during the day.
Okay. Let's go get some more stuff that I need for my life. Oh, I'm gonna need some food, which is wheat. Oh, now cows are gonna follow me and sheep.
That's okay, get the wheat.
I will. As soon as I get my shears out. Because shears is the fastest way to collect something. Collecty. That's my wee. Ugh, you didn't hold no seed. Oh, bling. Yeah. And there's the potatoes. I need some potatoes. No poisonous one. Hopefully they don't grow any more poisonous potatoes. Because those you do not want to eat. Because you'll be poisoned. Seriously. And poison hurts. Oh, sheepy. I really want to willy. I'm gonna meet the cherry. And a willy. Sorry, sheepy.
We'll get the shears. You got the shears? You holding the shears?
Yeah.
Maybe he didn't want to be sheared.
Feed. One sheepy. Feed. You're gonna love me forever. Thank you.
You fed him to death.
Now I have to get the loan.
I've never heard anybody feeding a sheep to death. That's weird.
Villagers don't eat. They don't even care about me. Don't. My mind. I can. I'm seriously standing in the water. And they don't even care. I do not want to be bothered by okay. Can't even put away my wheat. Are you kidding me? Ugh. Wait. Okay. E. Okay. Oops, sorry. There.
Stop.
Ah. Okay. It's funny. I'm gonna go get some more water. Okay. This is good. Be bear, please. It's like funny when like you break the seeds and you still get potatoes.
Yeah.
Boing. Okay, I'm gonna be on a long trip. So I'm going to that treehouse place. Definitely am. This is where I last slept. Now I'm gonna make my way home. Okay, well, but you're safe from the water because water makes lava turn into an obsidian. Yep. Got it already.
Oh, you found your house.
That's not my house. That's not my house. My house.
Mm.
It's definitely not my house. That is gonna be my house. Because I already got my bed.
Pumpkins!
Pumpkins? Ooh, pumpkins! Pumpkins! Pumpkins. This can be my mate. Cause look, wait. If I get like a whole load of pumpkins, like for today, like right now, I'll be able to make some mates, and then they can like be like my partners, and they can also party with me.
Party with you.
Yeah, party. We're gonna party. Look, watch this. This is the last house I was in, and I exited on it before. Up here. No. All this food in here. Except all of these things. I'm gonna need them. I'm gonna need the 6 pumpkins. What? What? I made a buddy. Isn't that? What? He's 2 on the floor. See? What? Bing! I made a buddy. And then there's gonna like be one like all the way over here. Uh-oh. Not that one. 2. Okay. Oh, there's 4. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. If you like this video, subscribe. Bye. Love, peace. Start.